Hello guys, welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can change your username in your Genshin Impact. So guys, in order to do that, you just need to log into your game and open your game like I have. And once you've opened it, just go ahead and tap on your top left button over here. Then you can see this page. You can see on the top there's a name, and guys, that's your username. And on the side there's a pen-like button. We just need to tap on it, and then you can see many options over here like edit profile, change avatar, change name card, edit nickname, edit signature, and many more. We need to just go ahead and tap on edit nickname. Your nickname is your username, guys, so you can choose anything that you want. And once you confirm, there you go. You have successfully changed your username. So guys, that's how you change your username in Genshin Impact. I hope this video was helpful. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.